Good morning, everyone. Aubrey Trades here, doing a morning watch list, pre-market prep type of thing. Let's take a look at some things that are running right now. Not a whole lot happening. SPY is pretty gross. If we go over here, let's just take a look at it. Whoops. Yeah. Real nasty SPY action, down over 1%. So, I'm definitely keeping that in mind as the day moves. So I'm going to be a little bit more conservative. Some runners that we have right now: Carve, Arpo, DBGI, Seed. I'm just going to pull up the multi-charts here. Carve looking pretty decent. I'm going to be paying attention to this at the open, see if it continues, but not super in love with this daily action. Let's see, we got Prince in the 18s though, so that's like very clear breakout. I would really want to see, if we get a dip in the morning, I definitely would want to see the 16 area hold. Just something that is on my mind. One thing I am also pretty excited about is Arpo, because we had bounced off of this 230 level, which I thought was pretty good. I did a little speculative one share thing here, was we were getting over VWAP and then got out after 10 cent loss or whatever. Not 10 cents quite, but 5 cents. Just because, I want to be a degen. But I'm doing it with one share. Clearly, this would have been the move. I'm not loving that this failed VWAP here, but again, it's only 605. So if this can go back over, or if it rebounces, I don't know. Some that's on watch, right? Number 3, Neg. Huge watch for a red to green action. This was yesterday's big runner. I don't know, you couldn't miss it. Started out at the in the 20s, all the way to the high of 79. Just absolute ridiculousness, much like Emerin or Alf previously. So if this can go red to green on the day, I am game. Clove, bunch of nothing. Don't really have any plans on this today. I kind of marked this low from the morning. I'm just kind of seeing if it's going to retest, if it's going to break, if it's going to bounce. Maybe I get a little bit of a bounce play on this. Not crazy about it. More just I want to keep it on watch. Zila's one that I'm looking for a continuation. Missed this opportunity. This was a red to green yesterday, but I was out. I had no more ammo left in me by 7 o'clock, so I missed this move. From the 230s to, what is this, 330s? That dollar a share move right there. We'll see. Maybe it clocks the same type of move today. We'll see. Keeping an eye on probably another red to green potential. Let's see if we're going to clock a new low here. I kind of like this 269 level as potential support. We will see. Moving on, we got U1 is another one that is on watch. We got some good volume picking up here in the pre's, up in the 920s. Let's take a look at that daily chart. We're back. I'm seeing 880 prints now. Not crazy about it. It's getting some chatter though, so it's worth keeping an eye on. I wouldn't really look for this to go past the 9s or 10s. So we will see. OPNT. I don't really know. Not interested. VXRT. These aren't really. This was from yesterday. DPLS, man. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not going to touch it, but it looks, will be interesting to see how this plays out. Another one, too, was GMER yesterday. Look at this. Man, Open at 26, closed at 41. We'll see what happens here. This is, this has been a multi-day runner. God, I was trading this here in the in the 2-cent range. Totally missed this entire run up. This looks overextended. This looks similar to this leg here. So, maybe gaps up, maybe does clocks in a blow off top, and then fades. I don't know how much more this has in it, but we will see. Let's see. I'm seeing on the scan DBGI coming up. What are we in the 8s now? That's pretty good. Okay. Wow. That's incredibly recent. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. We'll see. Let's see what happens here. Very curious indeed. Yeah, breakout. That's cool. Definitely going to keep this on watch. What else we got? Went over ARPO. Did we go over Seed? I don't remember if we went over Seed. Seed's another one. Seed, careful, because here I have this drawn. If we go to the year, right, I'm just plotting some potential points of resistance, right? And if you look, we actually hit. It was funny is I draw these on the year. And the year doesn't show what's currently happening in the pre's, and oh my gosh, almost like to the tick did this 10 line serve as resistance. So, it looks like we're coming up here. I really would love to see this line hold. It doesn't look like that's going to happen as we just bottom ticked, so that's not a great sign. We'll see how this holds up. I mean, it's up from the 7s, so we will see. Not too jazzed on that action, but that's about it. That's about all I got. Nothing too exciting out there. It's kind of ugly right now. Overall in the markets, feels kind of slow. We'll see, but that's what I got. I'll see you out there. I'm gonna be back for a trade recap, either right at 7:30 or whatever, or at the end of the day. Who knows? Happy trading. Good luck out there. I'll see you in the next video.